phone in
Oh
front of
shit.
you?
Here we go again.
Sorry, ma'am.
Why you have the phone in front of you? The camera?
I'm a vlogger, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm a vlogger.
Hindi totoo yan.
Ah, okay.
Can you hi, ma'am?
Huh?
To the camera here.
Yes.
Here. In the left side. Can you hi? Can you hi? Can you say?
Hi.
Hey, hey, ma'am, you're like this, ma'am. Hey.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Yeah, you too, ma'am.
Bahala
Hey.
ka sa buhay mo. Ginusto mo yan eh. Nagpasarap eh.
You everyday go there in the ano, ma'am? Yes, food. Ah, yeah, office, sir. What's on your company, ma'am?
Huh?
What's your company?
Concentric.
Concentric, call center.
Yeah.
You are the manager here, there?
No. I wish.
You wish? Di ka yan.
Was employee.
You have a friend, Filipino friend, ma'am? You have a...
My husband is Filipino.
Your husband. Hey guys, good morning. I have passenger. His nationality is Taiwanese. What's your name again, ma'am?
Lina.
Ma'am Lina. Shout out, Ma'am Lina. So yun guys, yung baon kong isang dosenang English, maubos ko ngayon. How to say hello in your dialect, ma'am?
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào.
Chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Like this. Like similarity a Chinese, ma'am?
Yes, same.
Same, no? Same?
Gago!
So, Niao. Like that.
Anyhow.
Niao. What also that? Niao. Good morning, ma'am. How to say it?
Chào buổi sáng.
Nas,
Chào buổi sáng.
Nao-san. Niao-san.
I think it's going to rain today.
What?
Gago!
Weather.
Later. It's raining. Okay. We'll make it fast. Very rough road. We are here also. We are near, ma'am. You just there, ma'am?
Just not me here.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah. There,
Yeah, there.
there.
Okay na.
Yes.
Wait.
Ayan, ma'am.
Ayan.
Ingat,
Thank you.
ma'am. Wait, ma'am, ha. Okay, guys. Ano tuloy?
Ginagawa mo.
Ay, sorry. Ano tuloy? Yun. Ma'am, say bye.
My style is ridiculous.
Bye.
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes, yes. Skibidi dum dum dum,